In this video, let me show you how you can download the Grammarly app. So if you also want to use Grammarly on your desktop without having to access the website, let me show you how it's done. So first of all, open up your web browser and search for Grammarly for Windows. Once you search for it, you can see this link. Just click on this link and it's gonna take you to a section where you can download Grammarly. So just click on the download Grammarly button, and after a few seconds the download of Grammarly will start. Once the download is complete, you can open up the folder where it has been downloaded, which is the setup file. Now you can double click on it and follow the steps to also install this application onto your PC. So that was the exact video on how to download the Grammarly app. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.